Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do another air fryer recipe. So what we got, So we got country style nibbles. And we might do this and with rice. Since, you know, it's going to be New Year's Eve tomorrow. So it's going to be hit 2006 tomorrow at midnight. And so let's get into this. Woohoo! Okay. So we got, I don't know how many I'm going to do. I might do, so maybe do 3 and 3. Okay, put it in here. I'm gonna, so I might put this on for plug it in. Put it in for 25. So it's on 25 minutes. So when it goes to 0, it'll go ding. So thank you for watching how to make air fry chicken nibbles and rice. If you go, put the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Look at that. And look at